Hey, in this video, I will be showing you how to insert a digital signature and a PDF by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So here on my computer, you can see this is a PDF file. So I want to insert a signature here. Okay, so what you will need to do is you will need to simply click here on this tool icon. Okay, so simply click on it. Now here you can see it's mentioned in sign. Okay, so simply click on this button. When you do that, okay, so here you can see it's saying sign yourself. Okay, so simply you will need to click on this button, and then here you can see it's saying add signature. Okay, so simply click on this button. Okay, so if you want to type your signature, so you can simply type your name here. Okay, if you want to type your client name, you can do it, but I want to draw my signature here. Okay, so simply you will need to click on this draw button. Okay, and then here guys, you can draw your signature. Okay, so I'm just trying to do a demo so you can see. So guys, you can see I have drawn my signature. Okay, and now you will need to simply click on this apply button. Okay, so when you do that, now here you can just put your signature. Okay, so simply you can increase the size. It's up to you how way you want it. So this is the one way guys, you can draw your signature. Okay, so see, I just want to remove it, and simply again if I just click here sign yourself, and I want to remove this one, and I want to add guys, I want to insert the signature from my computer because I have one of the signature. If you have, so if you want to add this signature, okay, because you may be working for somebody, your client, so if he want you to add my signature in the PDF file, so you will need to simply click on this icon. You can see it saying image. Okay, so simply click on this image icon. Now here you can see in my computer, so if I just go to this music folder, now here I have add that a simple as a demo signature. Okay, so I will simply select that signature, and I will simply click on open button. Now here you can see this is the signature, okay, which I have insert from my computer. So I will simply click on apply button. Okay, now here you can see this is the signature. So simply you can just put it where you want it. Okay, so simply you can guys from here you can increase or decrease the size. You can also put it anywhere where you want. Okay, so it's very simple process guys. I hope you understand. If you want to add another, you can also add it. So simply click on this button. Okay, now here you can add another signature also, because sometime you will need to add multiple signature in your document. So you can also do that. So simply drag the, okay, so simply drag it. Okay, and simply click apply. So if I want to put it here, I can do it. If I want to insert the signature from my computer, so you can also do it. So just simply remove this. Okay, and again if simply click on this button and simply click on image. Okay, and from here you can insert another signature too, and this PDF. So simply click select the signature which you want to insert here. So I have selected, and simply click on open. Okay, and simply click on apply. Now here you can put another signature also. So it's very simple. So simply select here. Okay, so in this way guys, you can select and insert multiple signature in your PDF file by using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to help you. So see you later. Bye.